Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Leather Repair Kit is probably one of the most worthwhile investments you can make for your car's interior, transforming worn-out leather car seats from damaged and unsightly to revitalized and luxurious, extending the life of your car seats and enhancing your vehicle's overall appearance, saving you money on expensive reupholstery or replacement, and restoring the comfort and style of your car's interior. Number 5. Furniture Clinic Leather Balm. Is your leather furniture looking faded or scratched? This balm easily restores color and hides imperfections. It's available in 16 colors to match your specific needs. This versatile balm repairs a wide variety of leather items. From couches and car seats to boots and jackets, it covers minor damage and restores color beautifully. Use it on sofas, chairs, car seats, even clothing. It's perfect for fixing small scratches, scuffs, and faded areas, giving your leather a renewed look. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal. It's been rigorously tested and proven effective by their experts. We're confident you'll love the results. But if you're not completely satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. Our experts are also available to answer any questions. Before using, test a small area to ensure your leather absorbs liquid properly. A simple water test will help determine its suitability. Watch the video for more details. What we like. If you need a wide variety of colors to match your furniture and want a trusted brand, this is a great option. It's been tested and approved by the Good Housekeeping Institute, so you know it's high quality. Plus, you're covered by a money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. What people say. I first applied to a section hidden by the cushions to test out the color match and saturation of pigment. It is brutally cold here, so I applied in my living room. I did not notice any strong odors. The sponge applicator that was provided worked well. Use the gloves even if you think it'll be a quick, clean job. It will end up on your fingertips, at minimum. First, I love the cleaning solution. It's pretty darn powerful. You do want to apply enough so that when you squish the sponge it creates a foam to apply. Number 4. Coconix Vinyl Leather Repair. Does your furniture or leather goods have unsightly scratches or tears? It's time for an easy fix. This kit will restore it to its former glory. Matching colors perfectly can be tricky, but not with this kit. It's super easy to use and blend seamlessly with any color. From vinyl to genuine leather, this kit works wonders on a variety of materials. It's the perfect solution for all your repair needs. Worried about large damages? This kit comes with extra compound to patch up even extensive damage. No need for extra tools or materials. Achieve professional-looking results without the hassle. It's simple to use, even for beginners, and delivers a flawless finish. We're confident you'll love the results. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year free replacement warranty. What we like. If you're looking for a simple solution that works on various materials and colors, this kit is perfect. Its ease of use makes it ideal for beginners, and the comprehensive warranty provides peace of mind. You can easily restore your leather or vinyl items without any hassle. What people say. The process was quick and easy, taking maybe 15 minutes. And the dash looks great. Creates literally like a skin layer to it, and so far, no issues with it tearing. Color matching is easy. Number 3. Coconix Leather Repair Kit. Is your leather furniture showing its age? Scratches, tears, and cracks don't have to be permanent. This kit makes restoring your leather easy and affordable. Unlike other repair kits, this one comes with simple, step-by-step instructions. Just apply it and watch it work its magic. It's perfect for repairing black or gray leather and vinyl on furniture, car seats, purses, even shoes and belts. This kit is versatile and ready for any repair. This kit is designed to blend seamlessly with your existing leather or vinyl. Achieve a professional finish that will leave your items looking brand new. Don't replace your favorite pieces. Bring your leather and vinyl furniture back to life with this professional-grade repair kit. Save money and restore your cherished items. Get professional-looking results without the professional price tag. It's easy to use and provides a long-lasting repair. What we like. If you want a quick and easy fix for black or gray leather and vinyl, this kit is your best bet. The simple application process makes it perfect for busy individuals, and the professional results will make your furniture look brand new. It's a versatile solution for various items. What people say. It's not often you buy something and then say, "Oh wow, that really works." This is one of those times. Nicely packaged, easy instructions and simple to use. I had a worn patch on my black leather car seat, it took about 3 minutes to fix and it's as good as new. Just follow the instructions, make sure you test a hidden bit of the seat first, alcohol can be problematic on leather. I used a tiny bit of 400 grit paper to clean around the edges. The fix is perfect, I waited a day and used leather cleaner on the whole seat, you can't see where the fix is. The headrest of my car was torn up by a bear that got his paw in through a cracked window. I'm very happy with how this turned out. The smaller tears look like new. The big tear doesn't look perfect, but that's really just because it was in such difficult place. I probably could have stitched it up a bit before using the kit for better results. I like that white was also included in case your leather isn't 100% black. I used pure black for the first few layers then mixed up a slightly lighter shade for the top layer. It matched well. Great product. I followed the directions and I'm getting a strong repair accomplished. I still have more than 3/4 of the product left after applying several coats to an extensive repair job. Number 2. ARCSSAI Leather Repair Kit. Say goodbye to unsightly tears and scratches on your leather goods. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, no matter your skill level. With 10 colors and the ability to mix, it's simple to perfectly match any color. Restore your furniture, clothing, or car seats to their former glory. Achieve professional-looking repairs with our high-quality, fast-drying adhesive. The step-by-step instructions guide you through the process. From small scratches to larger tears, it handles a variety of damages. It works on genuine leather, vinyl, and more. We're here to help every step of the way. If you encounter any issues, our team is available 24/7 to assist you. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll provide a replacement or a full refund. What we like. If you value a wide range of color options and ease of use, this kit is for you. The ability to mix colors to match any shade makes it incredibly versatile. The detailed instructions ensure professional results, even for first-time users. What people say. The repair looks great. Can hardly tell there was a scuff. We used this on our leather sofa that had a rip about 2 inches long and 1/2 inch wide. We needed to use the patch which was very easy. Color matching was easy too. You can just barely see where the tear was. Instructions were good and I was able to make a near-perfect color match. I had some cat claw damage on my leatherette desk chair. I waited 24 hours to be sure the patch dried and the results seemed good. Number 1. Black Leather Repair Kit. Is your leather furniture or car interior looking worn? This kit helps restore its beauty and functionality with ease. Say goodbye to scratches and tears. Repairing leather has never been simpler. It's quick, effective, and perfect for both minor scratches and more significant damage. Get professional results at home. From couches and chairs to car seats and purses, it tackles a variety of leather goods. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need for a perfect repair. This kit provides a fast-drying gel for quick repairs. It's designed for professional-looking results, even for beginners. Enjoy renewed leather in minutes. Maintain the look of your favorite leather items. It's the perfect solution for keeping your furniture and car interiors looking their best. Extend the life of your leather goods today. What we like. If you need a quick and effective solution for black leather repairs, this kit is a great choice. The fast-drying formula allows for quick repairs, and the kit includes everything you need for a professional finish. It's perfect for those who want a simple and efficient repair process. What people say. The included small plastic spatula was easy to use to spread out the repair material per the included instructions. It didn't fill the repair area fully the first time, but the second time looked really good. For the first 2 types of tears, it worked perfectly and I would say better than using a tape product. The black matched the black leather seats well enough that it blends in well from a few feet away. Definitely a big improvement. It's much easier to use on black objects because the color match is so much closer easier than other colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.